Metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis is a condition that occurs as a result of reduction in blood pH. This reduction can happen either due to loss of bicarbonate or gain of acid in the body. It is important to remember this triangle with three parameters, which is pH, bicarbonate and PaCO2. For example, when the bicarbonate is lost, that can lead to decrease in pH, and as a compensatory mechanism you will see reduction in PaCO2. In contrast, if bicarbonate increases, that can lead to increase in pH, and as a compensatory mechanism you will see increase in PaCO2. It is important to remember the relationship between these three parameters. Majority of bicarbonates in the body is lost via gastrointestinal system. Best example is small bowel diarrhea, where the diarrhea fluid contains high amount of bicarbonate comparing to serum bicarbonate. This can lead to a condition called hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis. Bicarbonate is also lost via kidneys. This can happen as a result of usage of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors and proximal renal tubular acidosis. Gain of acids can happen as a result of increased production or accumulation of acids in the body, and also impaired renal excretion of acids. Uncontrolled diabetes or starvation can lead to accumulation of acids such as beta hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate, and uncontrolled diabetes can also lead to diabetic ketoacidosis. Hypotension, hypoxia and hypoperfusion can lead to impaired oxygen delivery to the tissues that can cause tissue hypoxia, that can trigger anaerobic metabolism, which leads to accumulation of lactate and results in lactic acidosis. In carbon monoxide toxicity also you have impaired oxygen delivery, and it also inhibits oxidative phosphorylation that can lead to anaerobic metabolism and results in lactic acidosis. And in liver diseases, the liver is not able to clear the lactate in the body, so it leads to accumulation of lactate that results in lactic acidosis. Ethylene glycol toxicity leads to accumulation of glycolic acid and oxalic acid in the body, and methanol toxicity leads to accumulation of formic acid in the body. All these things can only lead to further acidosis. And impaired excretion of acids can happen as a result of renal failure, distal renal tubular acidosis and hypoadrenocorticism. And this was the brief introduction of metabolic acidosis. I hope you liked it.